Well, lean systems, if I can talk about it in the context of the Toyota production system, is a system that's fundamentally based around the reduction of waste, or the sort of constant search for improving the efficiency of people's works.
Lean is a way of trying to make things visible. So in a manufacturing setting, perhaps, you want to make your process visible. You want to make the communication and the information flow as visible as possible. And the reason you want to do that is you want to make the problems visible. Ultimately, you want to make those problems, disappear.
Well, back in 1993, when Toyota in Georgetown was really just getting started, our president at that time, Mr. Fujio Cho, who is now the chairman of the board of Toyota globally, was the president at Georgetown, and he had an interest in having the University of Kentucky do research into the fundamental underpinnings of lean manufacturing.
He actually gave us 3 charges, 3 missions. One of those was to study TPS, which we've been doing ever since the early 90s. Second, to put TPS into usable form. Then lastly, to give back and to share TPS.
We have a Lean Executive Leadership Institute where we try to educate the leaders of the organizations on what Lean means and what kind of commitment it will take to actually undergo a Lean transformation.
We have, for public, for industry, we offer various types of train-the-trainer type programs. We honestly believe that the most credible people to do Lean are the people themselves for the company.
For Lean to happen, it has to be supported from the leadership level. The behaviors of leadership have to change, as well as the behaviors of people on the production floor and the production processes.
The other side of our program is an academic program. The reason why this is very important because those students have to have the same skills and the same understanding of knowledge as does those people working in industry today.
The key thing that we're focusing on educationally in lean manufacturing is first find a problem. We want to be very open to finding problems and fixing problems. But the third part, which is most important, is keep the problem from coming back.
Well, there are a lot of programs across the U.S. and actually across the world that try to look at lean manufacturing. The uniqueness of the UK program is this connection to actually the Toyota system.
Lean is changing every day. Even the Toyota production system is changing. And it looks different than what it did in the 70s or 80s or even the 90s. A lot of companies decide to read a book and jump off the Toyota production system at a fixed point in time. This fixed point is a fixed point of knowledge where the current system and current technology exist. Because UK has the link to Toyota and we are actively applying research and studying the Toyota production system, we can provide the type of lean that is current with today's market.
But it also, we try to really focus on the people and educating the people who are going to be applying lean in their lives or at their jobs, and we really try to focus on the people side of it.
We are not a consulting-based company. We are very much interested in being able to teach people how to progress in their company.
What people do not understand is that lean is a people system. It's based largely upon the fact that we want to improve the system, but also improve the people.
Go!
There's been a lot of people trying to do lean transformations for the last 20 or so years, but unfortunately many of them fail at doing it. And we're trying to make people more efficient and to be able to hopefully have the lean transformations happen more quickly, more effectively, and with more surety. I mean, there's a tremendous need out in the business community, the industry community, and in different industries, not just manufacturing, to be able to understand and implement these kinds of practices.
As we, in the Lean Systems program, as we've studied it and worked with it, we've learned that, the principles of Lean are portable, can be transported, from the manufacturing floor. You can use it in any organization or any group of people.
So the Lean program at the University of Kentucky has I think, a long future, an exciting future, to be able to get to this fundamental knowledge base and build the educational programs and help Kentucky industry as well as industry across the United States and the world to be able to be more effective.